In this video, I am exploring a new pouring medium recipe, but I'm also going to give you my coveted best gold cell activator ever. It stays super vibrant just like this. And also, we're going to talk about your scoops and drags a little bit and swiping black over an interference. Let's do it, baby. I hope you're feeling good because you're looking good. Welcome back to the Feel Good Painting Station. Let's do this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is our PPG Multi-Pro, Home Depot, about 16 bucks a gallon. I use it all the time. This is the satin base, or the eggshell pastel base, excuse me. This is Brulee, which is a TLP pigment, and you can see I've thickened it up so it is similar to a regular paint. It is gorgeous. We're going to see that in just a moment. And two of my favorite colors mixed together to create just magic in a cup. Artesa's Bordeaux Red, and this is Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. Oh, Quinacridone Magenta. Hee And you can see my consistency is my normal, thicker than a lot of people use, but that's what works for me. That was Lamp Black. And I'm giving y'all some new angles. Woo woo! This is Brulee, a TLP pigment, and you can see how dreamy and creamy that Brulee is. Okay, so I'll link the video to how I mix my pigments to make your life a little bit easier, but we're gonna actually swipe black over this, and it doesn't show up at first, but it does show up later. So I want you to see that and give that a whirl whenever you are playing in your art studio or art haven, as I like to say. All right, so I'm literally swiping black cell activator over black paint with Brulee under it, and I'm going to pause for just a second. If you look real close, you can actually see the cells, and when we spin this out, see, look at that. Those will produce some color underneath. So that's the little trick of the trade I want you to try. Let me know how it comes out for you. You can get some really cool effects. So as y'all seen, I've done a few swipe and drag videos recently, and I just wanted to go for it. Like, I'm really channeling letting go. And for me, embellishing has always been difficult, but I'm feeling it with this technique. Like, I'm just hanging out, just swiping different things and just seeing what I come up with and what I like. So here is the gold that you all have been wondering about. It is super vibrant. I want you to take a look here. Put a nice helping on my palette knife, and look at there. Luscious, beautiful, vibrant. Okay, so here's how I make it. I take iridescent bright gold, so it has a glitter shimmer, and I pair this with ochre yellow. Any brand works. I like Amsterdam. I like Master's Touch. I have several. Oh, Blick. Any ochre yellow will work because it is an opaque, and it keeps the vibrancy with the shimmers, and so it creates really pretty gold, but there's a little more to it. So, of course, you mix this 3-to-1 Australian Floetrol. 3 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part paint. But to get it super vibrant, I take... Is the suspense building up yet? I take Harvest Gold by TLP and I add as much as or as little as I want. Normally it's not a lot that I add, but that gives me this really deep, rich gold. It's the icing on the cake. So that's a little secret. Share it with your friends, but make sure they watch the video because it takes a lot to edit these videos, okay? So I hope that you can find that useful. It's super powerful. It holds up really well. And the results are super crisp and clean, even with all the shimmers, because like with 24 karat gold, it leaves a lot of what I call residue, which to me, the mica is more suspended in your 24 karat gold. So like when you use it in a lot of pours, it kind of takes over and it hovers above the colors. This doesn't happen with this color combination. All right, check out that corner right there. Love the combination of black and white. So sneak peek coming up at my Florida Art and Abstract retreat. If you haven't heard about it, what's happened for 2024, but 2025 dates will be released very soon. So you get to see a sneak peek. I do things different with my retreats. I really like to wine and dine. And so if you are a Patreon or if you are on my YouTube paid channel, which you can join at any time, you can get even more behind the scenes, more secrets. So I'd love for you to journey over there with me. As always, your support is super appreciated. You all know that YouTube doesn't really pay us much. And for me, I'm blessed that it is not about the money. However, being completely transparent, just breaking even is important as well. And these paints cost money. So if you are interested, I once again, greatly appreciate the support. That white and gold you see there is where the pillow mixed with the cell activator, and look how crisp those lines are. This is the final piece, and here is some sneak peek of the Fluid Art and Abstract Retreat. Cannot wait to see you in 2025. So we're doing some one-on-ones, and look, y'all. Look at that bloom.
Sucky now.
Sherry, how you feeling?
I feel good. I'm really happy about this one.
Isn't that gorgeous, y'all? So we have some Prussian blue. We have some sapphire TLP. We also have some teal and a little bit of light gold in there. Let's see if we can show the gold off.
It's a little good.
Y'all. We're having a good old time.
Yes, we are.
So we have Lynn here, and this is your first bloom?
My first bloom.
First bloom ever. Look, y'all. Bam. Look at the depth. She chose great colors. We have a little bit of Bordeaux red, quinacridone nickel, azo gold, Prussian blue. Lynn, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling excited. And just to let y'all know, you're never too old. I'm the oldest one here. So it's wonderful. It makes me feel good.
Oh. So, what exactly is the Fluid Art Retreat? Well, it is an intimate weekend where we paint, we learn, we laugh together, and I have several surprises every single day. Every single day of the retreat. It is literally a retreat to relax, unwind, and create memories of a lifetime. This year, I was able to provide housing, so you didn't even have to leave if you didn't want to. Anywhere that we go, I'm going to get you there. So it is just an immersive experience, and you just have to come see it for yourself. So can't tell you what the surprises are, but I want to see you in 2025 for the surprises. Thanks for watching. Do everything with love. Peace.